In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create presentations with ChatGPT utilizing both PowerPoint and Google Slides. Whether you have tons of experience with these platforms or you're just starting out, this guide will help you streamline the process of making slides, saving you time and letting you focus on what matters most, your content. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once Google's main search page loads, locate the search bar. It's prominently displayed at the top of the screen. In this search bar, type in ChatGPT. This is the AI tool we'll be using to assist us in our presentation creation journey. After entering the text, press the Enter key or click the search button. Google will display a list of results related to ChatGPT. Now, among the results, keep an eye out for the official ChatGPT website, which will likely be one of the top links. Click on this link to proceed to the ChatGPT page. Once the page has loaded, you'll see a text input field. This is where the magic happens. In this field, you will start by typing your first prompt. Consider crafting a clear and specific entry, such as, create an outline for a presentation about renewable energy. With your prompt set, simply press the Submit button. ChatGPT will process your request and generate a response, which will include a structured outline that you can use as the foundation for your presentation. If you're satisfied with the response, you're ready to move on to the next stage, where we'll incorporate these ideas into a presentation format. For the next step, you'll need to instruct ChatGPT to format this content into a PowerPoint template. Begin by typing a new prompt in the input field. You could frame it like this: format the outline for a PowerPoint presentation. Again, hit the Submit button, and ChatGPT will reconfigure the information to fit PowerPoint slides, including suggested headings and bullet points. Once you receive the formatted content, locate the Download button on the page. Clicking this will save the PowerPoint file to your device, allowing you to open it with PowerPoint to further customize and embellish as needed. If you prefer using Google Slides over PowerPoint, you can still follow the same steps to draft your content. After downloading the PowerPoint file, simply upload it to Google Slides. Google Slides will automatically convert the document, enabling seamless edits and adjustments. Remember, while ChatGPT can give you a fantastic starting point, adding your own insights, data, and personal touches will make your presentation truly unique and engaging. Don't hesitate to revisit the process to refine drafts or explore additional themes as needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently create well-structured presentations with the help of ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial empowers you to save time and enhance your slide decks effortlessly. Happy presenting!